The gold refining process begins with gold ore mining deep in the earth. Blasting exposes gold ore trapped for millions of years. Collected gold ore moves one step closer to refinement. Only high-grade gold ore continues in the refining process. The journey from gold ore to pure gold officially begins. Mined gold ore now begins its controlled transport to refinement. Secure logistics protect the value hidden inside the ore.
Every gold shipment is tracked, sealed, and verified.
The gold refining stage begins at the factory gate. Raw gold ore arrives where transformation truly begins. This is where gold ore enters the refining world. Gold ore is carefully introduced into the refining system. Automated systems guide gold ore deeper inside the factory. Human oversight ensures precision at every stage. Gold ore now advances toward its first transformation. Gold ore is reduced to prepare it for separation. Grinding releases gold particles trapped in stone. Water separation removes unwanted material. Gravity pulls gold away from impurities. Gold concentrate moves toward chemical refinement. Chemistry now separates gold from its remaining bonds. Gold is captured molecule by molecule. Purification continues before gold recovery. Gold is released into a recoverable form. Controlled cooling stabilizes gold's final structure. Automation ensures consistency and safety. Every bar is refined down to its surface.
Each gold bar receives its identity. Each gold bar receives its identity.
Technology guarantees absolute accuracy. Technology guarantees absolute accuracy. Now, gold must prove its purity.
Final touches bring perfection.
Brilliance is refined with precision. Every dimension meets exact standards. Protection preserves perfection.
Every gold bar faces strict visual inspection.
Science confirms the purity of gold. Weight and density leave no room for error. Final assays validate absolute purity. Only verified gold earns certification. Protection ensures gold reaches its destination unchanged. Security is built into every shipment. Gold rests under constant protection.
Certified gold is ready for global delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce 24K gold from mining to bars.